decided we were going to start on dinner since Heather was pretty unintelligible and it was like 9 p.m. Mark started also working on dinner, so I hung out in the living room while Cindy went to our room. Heather goes into their room, then she comes back out and heads outside for like 20 minutes. I asked if she was good and got a small mumble. Heather comes back in, goes into the kitchen and then back into their room again. At this point Mark is done making their dinner and goes into their room. Mark comes out and sits with me in the living room and we are talking about my brother's upcoming basketball party. We then hear banging coming from their room. Mark went to go check on Heather but she had blocked the door. He convinced her to open it and he went in. Heather starts screaming and yelling, continuing to slam things around. After about 10 minutes of hearing Heather yelling and Mark trying to calm her down, I went in and told Heather she needed to calm down.
My time
She starts yelling some really weird and extremely racist things that I won't put here. Heather is